Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step-by-step 10 powerful camera settings on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Enable grid lines for better framing. The first method is all about composition. Open your camera app and tap the menu icon at the bottom right, or the settings icon at the top if your phone is an older model. Scroll down until you find the composition guide option. This is usually disabled by default, so toggle it on and select grid lines and level. This will display a grid on your camera screen, helping you align your shots perfectly and maintain balance in your photos. Method 2. Turn on HDR for balanced photos. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, ensures that both dark and bright areas of your photo are properly exposed. Open the camera settings, scroll down to Auto HDR, and turn it on. Now your photos will have improved color, contrast, and detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Method 3. Activate high-efficiency videos. To save storage space while keeping video quality high, go to Camera Settings, find High-Efficiency Videos, and turn it on. This allows your phone to record in HEVC format, which maintains quality while reducing file size. Method 4. Enable Burst Shot. Burst mode is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Go to Camera Settings, scroll to Swipe Shutter button, and select Take Burst Shot. Now just swipe down the shutter button, and your phone will capture a series of photos in rapid succession. Method 5. Use Pro Mode for full control. Pro Mode allows you to manually adjust ISO shutter speed, focus, and white balance. Open the camera, tap More, and select Pro. This is great for those who want creative control over their photography rather than relying on automatic settings. Method 6. Enable Night Mode. For low-light photography, go to More in the camera menu and tap Night. Night mode captures more light and reduces noise, producing clear, bright photos even in dim environments. Method 7. Use Portrait Mode. Portrait mode is ideal for photos with a blurred background. Open the camera, select Portrait, and adjust the focus and background blur to your liking. This creates professional-looking portraits easily. Method 8. Use Pro Video Mode. Similar to Pro Photo Mode, Pro Video gives you manual control over video settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus. Go to More and select Pro Video to shoot cinematic quality videos directly from your phone. Method 9. Turn on High Picture Resolution. To capture maximum detail, open Camera Settings, scroll to Picture Size, and enable High Resolution. This ensures your photos are sharp and perfect for printing or cropping. Method 10. Use Slow Motion. Finally, slow motion video adds drama and creativity to your content. Open the camera, tap More, select Slow Motion, and start recording. This feature is perfect for capturing fast action and stunning detail. By following these 10 powerful camera settings, you can take your Samsung Galaxy photography and videography to the next level. Experiment with each one and see how it transforms your shots. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.